I have a pentair mastertemp 400 with an e01 error code. I replaced the thermistor and still not working, same error code.
How old is the appliance? Have you gotten error messages before?
4 years old and no.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No. I have a mastertemp 400 with an e01 error code. I bought a new thermistor and replaced that and still have the same error message and no heater. Someone says it could be the control panel, but that's a very expensive part. How do I find out for sure?
Please read this entire message before responding. Hi there, my name is Bay. Got over 10 years in the trade. I'll be glad to help. Please disregard any automated phone request or service requests, as they are generated by the website. You do not have to accept phone pop-ups, they're auto-generated from the site and not from me, unless you want that service. Please bear with my responses as I may be actively working. Actually, e01 is temperature sensor error.
I replaced the thermistor that didn't fix it.
I see, then it is likely it could be the board. Did you check all the wiring on the back of the board? Check for burn marks or loose connections. Once you rule that out, then the diagnosis of the board is safe to make.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.